This is going to be the ultimate Bitcoin calm before the storm, because multiple breakouts are going to be inevitable anytime soon right now. And not only are many breakouts about to happen and volatility is going to be inevitable, but also at the same time, Bitcoin is giving us a clear indication of where the Bitcoin price is headed towards. So we need to be talking about that exactly. We need to be talking about Ethereum. And one thing is for certain, while the Bitcoin charts might be a little bit boring right now, this is actually going to be the time to be starting to prepare yourself for that next massive move. So make sure to push up that like button. Can we once again smash it back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And first of all, we have started to create another symmetrical triangle, and this one is actually in the imminent short term, and this is looking very good, because if we're going to be breaking out outside of this small symmetrical triangle that we are forming right now in the short term, we are probably going to be breaking out of these larger consolidation patterns as well. So this small little breakout that we could be getting either today or maybe even tomorrow, well, this one is going to be huge, because that one is going to be the catalyst for a way bigger move. And first of all, yes, I am still in my Bitcoin long position. I do think that we are going to be getting this huge breakout towards the upside. I'm going to be explaining exactly why. So what we can be seeing over here is sort of a double bottom formation with a huge level of resistance above us. Now at the same time, we are also forming some kind of an ascending triangle, of course, with higher lows all the time getting created and the same level of resistance. And also in the larger time frame, also a consolidation of just sideways consolidation over here after this huge move towards the upside. Maybe even you could consider this as some kind of a bull flag pattern. And also at the same time, we have already kind of broken out outside of this symmetrical triangle with a bullish retest right now, and we are headed even higher right now. So this is also looking absolutely good. So anyways, we are creating multiple consolidation patterns right now. We are coming very close towards that apex. Definitely anytime soon, volatility is going to be imminent, and also at the same time, in that short term, we are also developing some kind of a similar consolidation pattern. And if we are going to be seeing this breakout outside of this symmetrical triangle, we are most probably just going to be seeing a bigger move getting initiated, just like I've been talking about. Now, I do think that we are going to be getting this breakout to the upside. I'm going to be explaining exactly why. And first of all, we have already broken this symmetrical triangle out, and we have retested it successfully. So this is looking very good. At the same time, a lot of liquidity is still being formed on that top side. We can clearly be seeing where the majority of the liquidity is sitting at currently. And what we do know is that Bitcoin tends to move towards where that majority of the liquidity is sitting at right now. It's definitely towards the upside. That is looking very good. Now, having a look into what's the Bitcoin funding rates, they are still trading very, very low. And literally, Bitcoin is trying to break towards new highs, while the Bitcoin funding rates are looking like this. And this is looking very good. We are seeing this bullish consolidation with all our patterns being created right here. And at the same time, the funding rates are decreasing. Shorts are being opened right now, and longs are being closed. And whenever the majority of the Bitcoin traders are doing that, that is looking very bullish to me. So the Bitcoin metrics are still looking very good. At the same time, we are getting this hidden bullish divergence. Definitely momentum getting initiated towards the upside. At the same time, also, the price action is exactly repeating history from of the previous cycle, as you can be seeing over here. And we are just inside of our consolidation phase right here, just before blasting off towards the upside, in my opinion. And indeed, if we are going to be getting these massive breakouts anytime soon, and we are going to be breaking above that 0.3 high over here, just like we did in the previous cycle, well then I do think that we can be going absolutely exponential, just like in the previous cycle. Now, these are going to be my shorter term Bitcoin price targets. I'm just taking a look into what's the Fibonacci levels, and the first one is going to be coming in at the 77.3k level. The second one is going to be coming in at the 81.8k level. So have a look into what's these targets. I think these levels are going to be giving us huge levels of resistance. And yes, if you want to be taking advantage of this huge Bitcoin trade that is about to come, this huge Bitcoin breakout, make sure to check out out that link down below, because you can right now be claiming this $40,000 deposit bonus. On top of that, you can be claiming this $2,000 trade over on Bybit. So make sure to check out that first link down below and claim your free trade. Literally going to be free money, which you can be deploying in towards the market, open a free trade, and having a look in towards my monthly target. Well, the next resistance is going to be coming in at the 83k level. And I actually do think that the monthly time frame is looking very good right over here, because we've closed our monthly candle above this previous all-time high, and right now we are trading above the previous all-time high as well, with a little bit of a wick towards the downside below that previous all-time high still. So on that monthly time frame, I still do think that Bitcoin is looking absolutely great. Now, definitely also on that weekly time frame, it is also looking great. And I think that Bitcoin is about to go absolutely exponential. Now, having a look into what's Ethereum, this is going to be the most important level to be breaking. Of course, the focus right now is on the Bitcoin halving, and everyone is putting their eyes on the Bitcoin halving. But I do think that a major event as well is going to be the spot Ethereum ETF. And after the Bitcoin halving, I think all of the eyes will go towards the ETF. And this is going to be huge. Of course, in about a month or so, the next deadline will be coming in. Probably these ETFs will be getting accepted, because this is going to be the final deadline. So I do think that the ETFs will be getting accepted by then. But anyways, having a look into what's Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, it is looking absolutely great, with this weekly bullish divergence still sitting on top of support over here. Many people are panicking right now on Ethereum, but I think right now is actually going to be a great buying opportunity. But anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.